So a lot of people are asking me, is it really important to take professional photos and videography to the house when you list it? And my answer is 100% all the time. Because how people see the property online, the first impression is really important. Because that's what's gonna get some emotional involved with the house to make him decide to go out and see it. So of course, have all the time professional photos, professional videos. If you are able to do 3D plans, always have professional videos, professional photos, and a floor plan. Because it's really important if you have all the dimensions for people, because the buyer gonna come to the house for 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. It's not enough for them to make a decision on the home, and it will actually, they need to picture and imagine their furniture, where they're gonna put their beds, their stuff in the house. So it's really crucial to have a 3D plan and what we call a matterport, just to help them revisit the house virtually when they get back home. So it's always important to get the house 100% present to the market and the perfect picture.